I'm going to show you how to use Nuun Hydration Sport for exercise. It says, breaking a sweat packed with complete electrolytes, Nuun is your go the extra mile water. Plop, fizz, drink, and go. All right, so this is the product right here. It comes in this nice pack. If you go to the side, there is actually only 15 calories per serving, and it shows you how to actually do it on the side. It says hydration you can feel for exercise. All right, so it says right here, it says add to 16 ounces of water. And on the side, it shows popping one of these tablets inside of a bottle of water. However, I don't have a bottle, I have a glass, actually a jar, which I'll be adding 16 ounces of water to it and doing it that way. And of course, the ingredients are on the side right there. So we're going to go ahead and open this up and get to doing this. I'm going to show you how to do it. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and pop the top. Has a resealable top and a little spring loaded to keep the actual tablets from breaking during shipping. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and pour in 16 ounces of fluid water. It's about 8 right there. 16. All right, so I have 16 ounces of water. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and plop one of these in here. All right, plop one of these into the water. We'll see what it does. It's supposed to fizz, supposedly. So we'll pop this in, and let's see it fizz. So plopped it in, and right away you can immediately see that it is fizzing up. And supposedly I'm supposed to wait until this completely dissolves. We're going to wait and see. See, it's dissolving right there. It kind of reminds me of Alka-Seltzer a little bit. When you plop in Alka-Seltzer, it fizzes right away. But supposedly, this is supposed to have a great taste to it, much better than Alka-Seltzer. So while this is dissolving, it takes a little bit to dissolve. I can see it still in action. We're going to take a look at the side. We're going to look at some of the ingredients on the side. Citric acid, dextrose, natural flavors, stevia, avocado oil, interesting, and beet powder color. All right, so some of the ingredients inside there. So it's supposed to help hydrate me. And it says these statements have not been evaluated by the Food and Drug Administration. There's some warning on the sides. Remember to read the warnings before trying any product, any supplement whatsoever. And it looks like it's dissolved. You can hear it actually fizzling up. So there's like maybe a little bit left at the bottom, and it's still going. It's been about 45 seconds for this to go. So that's one thing to take note of. When using this, it takes time for the tablet to actually dissolve. And while that's doing it, again, it says plop, fizz, drink, and go. I'm going to go ahead and replace the cap. And one of the things I like about the cap, it just pops back into place fairly easy. And you're off on your way with this right here. So it's dissolved pretty much. There's a little bit in there, but for video purposes, I'm going to go ahead and try this out. There's probably like maybe 10% left that needs to be dissolved, but I'm sure the flavor is there to where I can taste it right now and give me a pretty accurate idea of, this product. And so it's still fizzing away. I'm just going to go ahead and take a sip of this. Okay. There's a nice taste to it, not too sweet whatsoever, very subtle. Supposedly, the electrolytes will help keep me hydrated, which is the important factor of that. But putting it in there and letting it dissolve is pretty much the instructions. I hope this was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.